hands and close. Agnay, please close your eyes and join your hands. We give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Okay, please open your eyes. Okay, so we are discussing shapes, and we already learned what's a point, what's a line, line segment, ray, a different type of straight lines, and the last class we discussed curved lines. Now I'm going to share the screen. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. No need to take any notebook or textbook. Ma'am will tell you when you have to take it. Okay. Ma'am will tell you when you have to take the notebook or textbook. That much time, please listen to ma'am. Look at the screen. When ma'am will call out your name, that time please unmute and tell me. Okay. Let me share the screen. Please listen here. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Krishna Priya, only unmute. Krishna Priya, please unmute. Identify. What is this? Tell me.
Point S.
Very good. Point S.
Point S.
Only Krishna Priya. Others, please be quiet. Agnes, please tell me. What is this? Identify.
Line AB.
Very good. A line AB. Junaida. Junaida,
Yes.
please tell me. What is this?
Line segment PQ.
Very good. A line segment PQ. Okay. Dhruva, please unmute and tell me. What is this?
Ma'am, this is right.
Dhruva, please tell me. What is
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Identify.
Ray
Ah,
ML.
very good. Array ML. So all are remembering. Very good. Now let me rub it.
Ma'am, this is right.
Prarthana, please unmute and tell me. What type of lines? Prarthana, please tell me. What type of lines? They are sleeping lines. So what is another name for sleeping lines? What is another name for sleeping lines? Sleeping lines drawn from left to right. We call it
Left
as
to right.
what we will call. What's another name?
Straight line. Horizontal.
Horizontal lines. These
Horizontal line.
horizontal lines. These lines are horizontal lines. Lines drawn from left to right. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right. We call it as horizontal lines. Now, Now, Zara, please unmute and tell me, what is the name of these type of lines? Standing lines drawn from top to bottom. What will call? Zara,
Vertical.
tell me louder.
Vertical. Vertical.
Vertical lines. Very good. Vertical lines. Vertical. Vertical lines. Now, last class we discussed another type of line. It's not a straight line. It's not a straight line. So we call it as another name. We call it as another name. Sridhar, please tell me, what's the name of this type of lines?
Lines. Curved line.
Very good. It's curved lines. Curved. Curved lines. So this much we completed last day. And today we are going to study another type means another topic. I will explain with example and that time I will tell you what's the name of that. Okay. Again, I'm going to share. Please listen here.
Right.
Please listen here. Okay, now all of you please listen. I'm going to draw two figures. Listen. See, this is a point. From this point I'm starting. I'm going to draw a figure. This is the end point. So I started from here. Okay, so this is a starting point. And this is the end point. Okay, now another figure. This is a starting point and I'm drawing. Now I reached at the same point. So here starting point and end point are same. Starting and end same. Okay. So in the first picture, you can see the starting point and end points are different. Okay. I started from here and I draw and again I draw, again draw and I reached here. So the starting point and end points are different. And in the second picture, I started from here. I drew the picture. I drew again one starting line, sleeping line, and I reached at the same point. Okay. So the starting point and end points are different. So that type of figures are known as open figures. We call it as open figures. Then can you name what will be the next one? Here the starting point and end point are same. So what we can call?
Closed figures.
Very good, very good. Here we can call it as closed figures. Closed figures. So in by open figures do not start and end at the same point. Listen here. Open figures do not start and end at the same point. That means they have different starting point and end point. Got it? What is an open figure? What is an open figure? Open figures do not start and end at the same point. Austin, please repeat after me. Okay, only Austin. Others, please be quiet. Open figures. Please unmute and tell me. Open figures.
Open figure.
Open figures do not start
Start
and
and
end
and
at the same point.
at the same point.
Okay, very good. Now listen here once again. Here the starting point and end points are different. That type of figures we call it as open figures. Open figures. Okay. Now Ritik Anne, please unmute. Ritik Anne, please unmute. Now listen to ma'am. Repeat after me. Closed figures
Closed figures
start
start
and end.
and end.
Can you complete it at the
Same time.
at the same point? Ritik, listen once again. Closed figures
Closed figures
start and end
start and end.
at the same
Same
point.
point. Same.
At the same point.
Same point.
Okay. So once again, open figures are
Open figures are
open figures do not start
do not start
and end
and end
at the same point.
at the same point.
Okay. Now I will show you some pictures and tell me, is it open or closed? Okay. Tell me if it is closed or open. So this is the starting point. This is the end point. Edelman, can you identify what type of picture is this? Is it open figure or closed figure? Eden,
Open figure.
is it open figure or closed?
Open.
Open. Very good. Why you said it is open? Please tell me the reason why
Ma'am, right?
open. The starting point and end points are different. Okay, the starting point and
Different.
end points are different. Okay, now, okay, now let me ask Marin. Marin, listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
I started from here. I drew the lines, and here one sleeping line, land lines. What about this? Is it open or closed, Marin?
Close. Close.
Why? Why it is closed? Tell me the reason. Why it is closed? Why it is closed?
Starting point and end point. Same.
Starting point or the start and end at the same point. Closed figures start and end at the same point. Now it is clear to you all what are open figures and closed figures.
Yes.
So please take your notebook, all of you. Please take your notebook. Let us write in the notebook.
Ma'am, right? Same page.
If you have space in the same page, you can write there. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page. Please write all of you. O P N open. O P E N open. O P E N open. I G U R E N open figures. Open open. Figures open figures. Meaning they do not start and end at the same point. It is open.
O
Figures.
P
Now let us write the definition.
F
Evaluate, you had completed the words open figures.
U. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us write OPEN open. OPEN open. Figures FIGURES open figures. Open figures.
Open.
DO do. Open figures.
Z Ma'am, D-O or T-O?
D-O.
D.
Yes. Open figures do not.
D.
Open figures do not.
N-O-T. Not.
S-T-A-R-T. Start.
S.
Open figures do not start.
R-T.
S-T-A-R-T. Start. And
And
do not start and end. E-N-D. End.
E-N-D. And
Figures do not start and end at
at,
at
at
T-H-E, the
T E S
Mother, can you complete the sentence? Open figures do not start and end at the
at the
at the same point.
point.
At the same point. Open figures do not start and end at the same point. That means the starting point and the end points are different. Open figures do not start and end at the same point. Now let us draw some open figures. At a point and starting from here. And this is my end point. Another one, starting point and end point. Another picture. So in these three figures, you can see the starting point and end point are different. Or we can say the start and end of these figures are not same.
Not C.
Open figures do not start and end at the same point.
Same point.
Open figures do not start and end at the same point. Now let us move to the next one. What is the next one? What is the next one?
Closed figures.
Very good. Closed figures. Who will tell me the definition? If you know open, it's very easy, no? To say closed.
Closed figures
Uh,
are not
start and end
end point
at the same point. At the
same point.
Okay, good. Closed figures start and end at the same point.
Same point.
Okay, good. Now let us write the definition.
C O C O
C L O E D.
This is D.
Yes, C L O S E D. Closed.
And closed figures. U F I G
Very good.
U
Very good.
R
Ah,
E S.
very good, very good. Closed figures. CLOSED. Close. FIGURES. Closed figures.
C L O S E D. Closed figures. F I
START. Start.
I
Closed
G
figures.
E
Start.
R U R
Closed figures. Start. Start. AND and. And. Can you tell me the next word? Start and.
N
And.
N
END. And.
E N D and
Closed figures. Start and end.
the
Who
same
will complete the
point.
sentence? Who
The
will
same
complete the
point.
sentence?
The same point.
At the.
At the same point.
Very good. At the same. At AT. At. THE. The. SAME. Same.
And
At the same.
the same point.
Very good. At the same point.
At the same
Closed figures start and end at the same point.
at the same point.
Now, what are you writing? Now, let us draw some examples.
And page finish.
Please take the next page. This is starting point, and I'm drawing standing lines and sleeping lines, and I'm reaching at the same point. So this one is a rectangle. A rectangle close the figure.
Circle, square.
Very good, very good. Abhinav MP, which is the second picture? What we will call this one? Second one, Abhinav, please unmute and tell me. Second one, what's the name of this one? Name the sheep, Abhinav.
Circle.
Circle, very good. Is it a closed or open?
Close.
Is it a closed or open?
Close.
Closed, very good, very good. Another picture. I'm starting from here and I draw the picture and I reach at the same point.
Banana.
Jahan Judy, what's a closed figure? Please read. What's a closed figure? Unmute and read it. Closed figures.
Close to figures.
Uh,
Where
Start
start
and
and at
uh,
the same point.
very good. What about a triangle? Is it a closed or open? What about a triangle? Is it a closed or open?
Closed.
Very good, very good. Ayush, what about a rectangle? Is it a closed or open?
Closed.
Okay, very good, very good. So if you have completed, please close your notebook. If you have completed, please close your notebook. And let us move to the textbook. Are you all ready with the textbook? part 1? Okay, okay, right.
And the new book. Yes, ma'am.
Textbook.
Ma'am, new book. Ma'am, textbook page number.
Textbook part 1.
Page number. And the
Page
new
number.
And the new book. Page server. And page number. Ma'am, new book.
Textbook part 1. Textbook part 1. All of you
Ma'am,
have?
new book. Ma'am, please screen share. Ma'am,
Okay,
new
I will
book.
share it.
Ma'am, the page number. Ma'am, the page number.
I will tell. Wait. I will tell. Let them complete after that.
Ma'am, new book.
Ah, yes, it's a new book.
Now, what is the page number?
Rihan Hanifa, you have completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please write.
Ma'am, we do exercise.
Yeah, we are going to do the exercise in the textbook.
We take pencil.
Yeah, pencil only.
Ma'am, which exercise?
Ma'am will tell. Please wait for others, let them complete.
Ma'am, textbook part 1.
Yeah, textbook part 1.
The new book.
Yeah, you got the book from the school, no?
Which page?
It's written no, textbook.
Ma'am, which page?
Hi,
5.
my dear. Rehan, you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which page?
I will tell, please listen. See, this is the textbook part 1. Textbook part 1. It's written class 2, textbook part 1. Take page number 11. Page number 11. Let me share it. Page number 11.
Ma'am, did you send the WhatsApp?
Yeah, yes. You got the same page?
Go to toilet.
Yes.
Ma'am.
You got the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Please go. Now, please listen others. You can see question number 2 here. Question number 2. Identify whether the following figures are open or closed. Okay? Identify whether the following figures are open or
Ma'am,
closed.
eighth one is open.
Please listen.
Eighth
Prashna, please turn on your video. Adinath, unmute and tell me. What about the first picture? Adinath, only unmute. And tell me, what about the first picture? Is it open or closed?
open.
Very good. What is spelling of open?
OPEN.
So all of you please write open figure. Open. OPEN. Open figure. FIGURE. Open figure. Okay, good. OPEN, open.
I'm
FIG,
right.
open.
I'm
Fig.
right.
Yeah, you have to write near the picture. You can write the answer. It's an open figure. Evelyn Destiny, please unmute. Evelyn, please unmute. And look at the second one. B. Identify, is it open or close?
Close.
Very good. What spelling of close?
CLOSED. I look at the answer.
CLOSED. Closed figure. Closed figure. Good.
What is the one?
Sandra, tell me the next one. C. Can you see the board? Unmute and tell me which is it closed or open? Third one, C. Is it open or closed?
Close. Close.
C. This one.
I'm open.
Open. You can see it's open. The end point and the starting point are different. So here we can write it is open. OPEN. Open figure. Open figure.
Ma'am, we need to write it.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write later also. No problem. It's very simple. Listen here. That's enough. Daniel, please unmute. Daniel, please unmute. Tell me. Question D. Is it open or closed?
Closed.
Closed. Very good. It's closed. Why it is closed, my dear? Why it is closed? The starting point and end
Starting
point
point
same,
and point is
or the start
same.
and end at the same point. Close the figure.
Ma'am, Malavika full complete.
Very good, Malavika. Very good.
Ma'am, jewelry full complete.
Okay,
And
good. Very good.
Martinez
So we
full
have the
complete.
last one. It is E. And Henry Baju, please unmute and tell me. Is it open or close? Is it open or close? Question E.
Closed.
Is it closed?
Open. Open.
Look at the picture and tell me, is it
Open. Open. Open.
open figure?
Open.
Okay, good. Open figure.
Ma'am, that's completed.
Okay, good.
Genesis.
It's okay. No need to tell me completed. I know you all are very good children and you all completed. Those who didn't complete now,
Ma'am, I am not completed.
complete after the class also. It's very simple.
Yes, ma'am, now it's completed.
Adam, Chotoni and Siddhartha, please switch on the video.
Ma'am, now it's completed.
It's okay. Good. Very good. Adam, you understood what are closed and open figures? And the remaining exercise we will do it in the next class. Okay? Siddharth, did you do the exercise in the textbook? Completed. Very good.
Ma'am, I am not completed. Ma'am, we already completed. Andrew was completed.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, Anaya, good.
Ma'am, we already completed.
Okay, Avalad, good. Sridhar, you have completed?
Ma'am, Rehan finished it. Ma'am, Rehan finished it.
Yes, tell me who is telling. S Rehan.
Ma'am, my finished.
Okay, good, very good.
I finished.
I'm stopping here. I'm stopping the sharing here. It's time to wind up the session. I think it's clear to you all. Open and close the figures. Okay. Okay. So we will meet in the next class.
I'm finished.
In the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.